This is the fourth one of these. If you're in the right lane, it's 11-foot one, and somebody has hit that plenty of times, and they're fixing it up. So yeah, beware. Everywhere up here in the upstate northeast, you can have dangers. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. If you're in the right lane, you're smashing your truck and trailer. Cool truck stops here. No, I'm good. Pretty cool truck stop out in New Jersey. All right, not bad. There you go. And then thank you. They pump you on full service. Pump their own gas. Just go get a coffee. Big reveal. We got her. Just a regular old 2500. Sunroof, Laramie. It comes with a car cover. Truck and wife put her bags back there. Truck and wife is also trying to figure out her Bluetooth.
For the drive home and like some music.
But it's got all these skulls on it. Doesn't really fit our theme, but we're gonna
Not really, but that's
we're gonna check out what that means. Let's go outside and investigate. Truck. Wowzers! It is starting to rain. Winch. King coilovers, 6.7. Road score grill, which of course I'll make my own. Oh my goodness. Airbag rear. Has some rust on it, but of course I'll powder coat it all, get it back. But that's why we got such a good deal on her. She whistles a little bit. And it comes with this cool remote for the airbags. That's really cool. Oh, push the button, there you go. You can adjust the PSI. So yeah, I'm gonna take off these, but some different stuff I'm gonna do. But need some powder coating. Been up here in New York. Has the train horns, all the crazy stuff you don't need. But man, we got it for a great deal. Mega cab, 40,000 miles. Fast fuel system. Woo! All right, that's it. The new Just Truck and Truck. Thank you, YouTube, and everybody who supports the channel. And hope we can get a boat to match it. All right, God bless. What?
Did you see him drive by? You saw him drive by. You're excited. You saw him drive by, didn't you?
No, what are you talking about?
You're a liar, I can tell. Ah! Sorry.
Oh my goodness. Clifford Part 2. Wow.
Oh my Lanta.
Oh. Woo! That's the first time we've seen her. There she is. Wowzers. Well, there she is. That's the reveal. Thank you everyone for subscribing and helping us make our dreams come true. That was a truck just like mine. Actually, better than mine.
The name of the truck is actually Big Dreams, isn't it?
Big Dreams, yep. Yeah. It was a SEMA truck. I don't know what year, but we'll look into it. But since we were picking it up in New York, we had both never seen a specific monument, and so we came down here to check it out. It's about 5 miles off the interstate, and I think you guys have seen it before.
Yeah.
Beautiful. We're gonna walk down there and get a closer view. But yeah, a little rain hit us, but clearing up. It is breathtaking. Beautiful day, a little humid out here. It's like 100 degrees, guys. Truck and wife's reading up. There we go. There's the old Liberty. And then old Jersey over there. Pretty cool. You can walk all the way down there and there's a museum right there, but it's just too hot. We gotta get on the road. It's been a long couple days and we can get back to the babies. But that's the reveal with a little bit of liberty in there.
Yeah.
God bless everybody. Thanks for making it happen like we said. And we'll see you maybe, see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right.